Hi, this is Megan Jax, and I'm here to walk you through my son's 8x8 Baby's First Year album. This is an album from Creative Memories. It does come with pre-decorated pages that are designed to celebrate a baby's first year. You can buy this as a kit that includes some decorative elements. I have added additional decorative elements from the Lullaby Lane collection. So I added the border stickers, I've added the embellishments, and I think I did some stuff with paper and the border maker system. So here is my album. I simply added his name and the sans serif stickers. These are from the embellishment pack. I cut apart mats. I used some stickers included in here. You're going to see a lot of photos. I have cut a lot of these photos down to be about 3 3/4 inches wide, and then some of them were cut into the 3 3/4 inch squares. It did a lot of just grid style configuration to get as many photos in here as I could. Again, these are from the embellishments. Here you can see I've used the border maker system. I have all those tools and really wanted to make this an album that was really fun, quick to easy to look through, but it has some more of the decorative elements included in it. Some of the embellishments, I did some stitching detail around there just to give it a little bit more. You can see in the pre-decorated pages, it has these, the months at the bottom. There is a little bit of a dot detail around the circles. I went and just did stitching around some of these circle elements. Those are part of the embellishment pack. And as I mentioned, a lot of grid style. So these are 3 3/4 inch squares. A lot of the 4x6s cut down to that 3 3/4 inch. That works really well on the 8x8 pages. And it was all about getting photos on here. I may come in and add a few journaling details, but as I said, this is really about getting photos. He will have a larger album that has more detail for these photos, but this is the quick year-end synopsis, just kind of easy to look through. Adding a little bit more of the lettering detail. This page, I decided to just do the entire background with one of the papers and then came in with a little bit of some border detail using some cardstock, adding the embellishments in there. Again, these are from the border stickers from Lullaby Lane. The nice part about doing the stickers is these are 4-inch segments. So when you do your border stickers, you'll be able to cut it into an 8-inch length, and then you'll have that 4-inch length left over that you can carry into other parts of the album. Here you can see I used these lengths previously in another page where they were the 8-inch lengths, and here I've used the 4-inch remainders. So the focus here was organizing my photos in a way that allowed the months to stand out. I wasn't as concerned about the opposite page, maintaining that decorative detail. It was all about getting those photos on there. The 4x4 or the square format I find to be really easy for me to get my photos to work with. I know that also holds true for a lot of people who use Instagram. They're really familiar with doing that square format. So the square photos in this kind of configuration will work really well. And then the last page, the first birthday, just a couple of photos from his first birthday. As I mentioned, he's going to have an album that's going to have a lot more photos. I mean, obviously with the baby's first year, you have tons and tons of photos, but this is a great companion book that'll be easy for him to look through, just very quick to go through those first year moments to be able to share. Maybe you would give to a grandparent as for them to hold on to. Or as I said, I have an 8-year-old, and this is about his speed of what he wants to look through to get that first glimpse of his first year. Thanks so much for watching.